Hi and welcome. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, co-founder of the Cardano ecosystem and former Ethereum developer Charles Hoskinson shared his thoughts on the future of the Ethereum blockchain. Let's go back a little bit and say that Hoskinson left Ethereum in 2014 because of disagreements with Vitalik Buterin about how to structure the project. Hoskinson wanted to accept venture capital and create a for-profit entity with a more formal governing structure, while Buterin wanted to keep Ethereum a non-profit organization with an open-source, decentralized governance. So they went separate ways. Buterin kept developing Ethereum, and Hoskinson started his own project, the Cardano ecosystem, which is now quite popular. Since the time Hoskinson left Ethereum, the two camps have fired warning shots at each other with criticism. In the Bloomberg interview, it was more of the same. Every time Hoskinson was asked about Ethereum, he answered professionally and even supportive, but all the while throwing some shades on his former team. When asked directly about his thoughts on Ethereum, he started referring to Vitalik Buterin as a young guy, and that he will apply his youth and wealth towards the things he feels are right. According to him, Ethereum owes its success primarily to the youth, charisma, and wealth of Vitalik Buterin, and only then to technology. Support from ecosystem participants and businesses also plays an important role. Direct speech. Vitalik is very young. He uses his youth and money to implement ideas that he considers important to the ecosystem. In addition, a lot of people work for him. Consensus, for example, and other large companies with large staff and tight wallets. Hoskinson spoke about his greatest doubts, saying that when you have that kind of momentum, something is going to happen. Hoskinson goes on to say that issues will pop up in 2022 related to Ethereum update, and the current velocity of Ethereum will end in 2022 or early 2023. He had previously criticized the confusing architecture of the network and stated that the move to Ethereum 2.0 would lead the entire project to decline. According to him, the Ethereum 2.0 governance system will slow down development when the creators of the ecosystem retire. Well, that's a bit surprising coming from the guy who not so long ago said that Ethereum 2.0 is taking time to mature and grow, but I'm confident about it. It will soon reach the marketplace and do only good for the crypto community as a whole. So, it's a good thing for the community, but not really good for Ethereum? Why? Okay, meanwhile, we see only growth for Ethereum. EIP 1559 hasn't affected Ethereum miners' revenue, which obviously is a good thing. Data from Coinmetrics shows that in the days following EIP 1559 activation, daily miner revenue in USD has increased 7.1% and remains at 2-month highs. Part of the reason for high miner revenue levels is the bullish price breakout for Ethereum. Anand Gomez, co-founder of crypto trading platform Paradigm, told CoinDesk that London is driving this activity and it's mostly institutional, which is also good because institutions always mean big investments. Under EIP 1559, miners can still be rewarded for including transactions into a block through an optional tip known as the priority fee. Users have paid a total of 7,000 Ether, worth roughly $22.4 million. in priority fees since the activation of the London upgrade. Because miners still get rewarded for a portion of transaction fees on Ethereum, a spike in on-chain activity due to an NFT drop or popular decentralized finance application will boost total miner revenue through increased priority fees. And more good news for Ethereum fans, Ethereum is ahead of Bitcoin in terms of growth rates. According to the coin market cap, Ethereum has risen in price by more than 700% over the year. The second largest cryptocurrency has more than doubled the return on Bitcoin, which has grown by 290% over the same period. According to Bloomberg analyst Mike McGlone, if Bitcoin grew at the same rate this year, then the main cryptocurrency would already be worth more than $100,000. And that's all news for now. Bye!